Hello, welcome to Zoomlion Global. I'm Zoe. Today I'm going to show you the king of efficiency, ZE370E.
Committed to a low-fuel design philosophy, we installed ZE370E with high-efficacy engine and tailored hydraulic components, combined with an advanced smart fuel CV mode.
As a result, customer returns can be guaranteed thanks to effectively controlled fuel cost. Durability and reliability of equipment are multidimensionally improved to enhance its adaptability to harsh working conditions. Heavy-duty components such as bearings, sprockets, and track rollers have been exclusively strengthened. Plates for key locations are thickened by adopting imported wear-resistant steel plate. Beyond that, it's equipped with reinforced platform and work equipment. Spacious operation cab, large screen monitor, and suspension seat provides a high level of operator comfort. What amazing art!